Hi, it's Desi from Cooking with Desi. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm sharing my recipe for fried chicken in the air fryer. My nieces got me an air fryer for Christmas, my nieces Jessica and Mandy. And at first I thought I didn't need a air fryer, but in my small tiny little kitchen, but once I tried these wings, I had to make room in my kitchen for this air fryer. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. To make these wings, I used a large family pack of chicken wings, which I rinsed, and I'm seasoning it with adobo on both sides, and I'm spritzing it with some olive oil on both sides. Now I'm placing the chicken wings on 2 trays that my air fryer comes with. Gonna preheat my air fryer at 400 degrees and set it for 30 minutes. At 20 minutes, I remove the chicken so that I could turn the wings over, and I'll return it back to the air fryer for another 10 minutes to cook. I also switched the trays around at this time so that the bottom tray could cook more evenly. So while the chicken is cooking, I'm going to make a quick sauce for the wings. I'm going to use a half a cup of barbecue sauce, a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of honey. Having some technical difficulty there. I'm going to have to melt the honey in the microwave for 20 seconds. A tablespoon of olive oil for flavor and also to thin out the sauce. Gonna mix it. A couple of drops of sriracha. You could add as much as you like according to your taste. Taste it and adjust the flavorings as needed. You could eat it with just the adobo seasoning or with your favorite sauce just brushed on so it stays nice and crispy. I hope you enjoy. Until next time, happy cooking. Take care.